Guys, so we're currently moving the Silverado to the middle because this joint ain't gonna fit in my paint room. As you guys can see, she's a bit high. Woo! Currently transporting it to the middle bay and freaking high. Got Jordy over here doing his technique. Silverado, yes sir, scuff that joint. So we're gonna go ahead, start shooting the Silverado, just the cab. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully everything comes out right. No mistakes. Let's get to it. Shot it with the undercoat to cover all the primer, all the white paint. Now we're about to start shooting it with the OEM color. As you can see, everything is covered. All the primer that was here, it's all gone. Now you can shoot your original color nice and calm without having to worry about, oh, I don't have enough paint to cover this primer, you know? We got the freaking fire going. Oh no, we actually got the fire going. We got the heat, and we're ready. Silverado is ready with the paint. Now we're gonna shoot it with the clear, 2 coats of clear, and we'll see how it looks. So let's get to it. Hopefully everything goes out right. Buddies. All right, my fellow subscribers, we're going to be wrapping this video up for today. As you guys saw, we painted the Silverado. She came out good, no defects at all. I'm happy about that. So we just got to give it that sauce next week, give it that Paz sauce, you know, wet sand it and buff it. Right here behind me, I got the bed for that truck with that we got to we got to paint. So that's for next week. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So next week we have a 2012 Mercedes-Benz 550 4MATIC that I'm gonna be painting. If you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please do so. It's urgent that you hit that button if you don't want to miss none of these videos. So thank you for watching my channel here at Paz Auto Vlogs.